Before we wire up the motor controller, let's test these motors just to make sure that we know what kind of wiring we need here. So I have a 5-volt power supply, like a USB supply, that has a couple of amps of current, and that is on this black lead here and this red lead. So you can see I've got the silver part of the wire connected to this clip lead, and then when I touch the silver part of the wire to this clip lead, you can see the motor starts running. And if you look at the direction that it's running, you can see this is the forward direction if this is the front of the car. So let's assume this is the front of the car. Right here, this is the front. And this is the forward direction. So I'm going to take a little marker here and mark this as F, front. Okay, so now we know that red to red, red's positive, here is forward on this motor. Now let's see with this motor what happens when we connect red and black up. We also get forward motion here. So by wiring the motors exactly the same, no matter which way we point them, we're getting the identical behavior for the two motors. So therefore, we will wire red to red and black to black. I would assume that it's the same way on this side, but let's check. So black and red. Aha! It's not. On this side, red positive and black negative is the reverse direction. So on this side, we will have to wire it opposite. And let's just make sure that's true for this motor as well. That's in the forward direction as well. Oh, my power supply just overcurrented. Okay. So we have red to red on this side, and black to black on this side. Same thing on both sides, except that this side we have to reverse polarity in order to go in the forward direction. So